In the last video, we unboxed the Iridium 9604 development kit and walked through how to use the launchpad to send a message through the Iridium satellite network to a Blynk dashboard. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to customize your 9604 launchpad and add a new sensor to it. With just a few software changes and updates in Blynk, you can send your new sensor data to your Blynk dashboard. Let's get started. Some of the great features of the 9604 launchpad are the expansion headers. These expansion headers interoperate with products built with Arduino Shield, Adafruit Featherwing, SparkFun Quick Connect, Adafruit Stemma QT, and Arduino I2C interfaces. These expansion headers make it quick and easy to add compatible sensors, relays, displays, and more to your launchpad, many without even needing a soldering iron. Here is the Arduino Maker Environment Shield. It can read the temperature, humidity, light intensity, and atmospheric pressure. You can easily mount the shield on the Arduino Shield expansion header on the 9604 launchpad, just like so. With our sensor on the 9604 launchpad, we can now update our Blynk dashboard to have a new data stream for our sensor. Once we've created our data stream, we can add new widgets to our dashboard to display our sensor data. So first, log into your Blynk account and open up your dashboard. Select Edit, and open up the Data Streams tab. Here, you can find all the existing 9604 launchpad data streams. Go ahead and select New Data Stream in Virtual Pin. On this screen, we can define what kind of data we will send to our dashboard. Today, we will be sending atmospheric pressure data to our dashboard. So let's set the name to atmospheric pressure. Set the pin number to any number that isn't being used. I'll choose V12. And then select a color for this data stream. Your data will be displayed on your dashboard in this color. Next, set the data type to integer. Set the units to kilopascal. Set the minimum to 26 and the maximum to 126. Since our sensor has a range of 26 to 126 kilopascals. Then, in the data history section, select 1 minute average. Lastly, go to the advanced settings page, enable the option to sync with latest server value on Reconnect. Ensure that in the visibility section, the options show to end users, show in custom charts, and show in reports are enabled. Click Save, and then Save and Apply. You now have a new data stream for your atmospheric pressure sensor data. Next, select Edit to start editing the web dashboard page. Let's create a widget to display our atmospheric pressure data. Go ahead and duplicate the temperature widget. Select Edit, and update the title to say atmospheric pressure. Modify the existing data stream to be our newly created atmospheric pressure data stream. Select the same color you selected as before. Click Save. Let's do the same and duplicate the temperature history widget to create an atmospheric pressure history widget. Remember to click Save and Apply once you're finished creating your new widgets. Our dashboard now has 2 new widgets for our atmospheric pressure sensor data. With our Blynk dashboard updated, all that's left to do is to update our dashboard sketch in the Arduino IDE to read and send our sensor data to our dashboard. First, navigate back to the Arduino IDE. We need to install the Arduino library for our Arduino Maker Environment Shield. So open the Library Manager, search for Arduino Maker Environment, and install the library. This library provides us with everything we need to read our sensor data. Once you've installed the library, open your dashboard sketch. All of the example sketches in the 9604 development kit are meant to be expanded and customized, so let's do just that. At the top of the page, add the following line to include our Maker environment library to use our sensor. Now we can use all the functions provided in the Maker environment library. Next, initialize the sensor by adding this line to our setup function. To read the atmospheric pressure using our sensor, let's add 2 more lines of code. Add an atmospheric pressure variable to our dashboard data. Then, navigate to the dashboard update function and add this line to read the atmospheric pressure. We now have the sensor data. The last step is to add this data to the dashboard message we are sending to Blynk. To do this, go to the Create Dashboard Message function. This function takes all the data the Launchpad has collected and packages it up into a message to send to our Blynk dashboard. Uncomment the following line and modify it to have the Blynk data stream and the dashboard data atmospheric pressure variable that we just created. Finally, to make it easier for us to know what our atmospheric pressure data is before we send the message to our dashboard, let's add a serial print statement for the atmospheric pressure. And just like that, our code has been updated and we're ready to send our new sensor data to our Blynk dashboard. Go ahead and upload your new dashboard sketch to the 9604 Launchpad and wait for the message to be sent. If you take a look at the serial monitor, you'll see that your sensor data has been collected. Here is our atmospheric pressure data. In a matter of minutes, we were able to mount a new sensor onto our 9604 Launchpad, update our Blynk dashboard and dashboard sketch, and display the new sensor data on our dashboard. Interested in learning more? Visit our Iridium public GitLab and explore the full capabilities of the 9604 Launchpad. With the 9604 Development Kit, you're not just building projects, you're creating solutions with truly global reach. So, what do you want to create?